to secure the Easter and community. Number one, ना? आपको खाना लगाएगा भाई? ना हाँ? ऊपर दे दूँ क्या? ना होगा हमने डाला है घर पे आएगा पापा तरफ से
देखिए yes, on this auspicious occasions of our getting statehood, we the Urdu Society of India has taken our initiative for a blood donation camp, which is being held here at Tender Child School today, the 21st of January 2026. I would sincerely tender my thanks to the management committee of the Tender Child School, faculty members of Negrim hospitals, along with the staff, and my special thanks goes also to the Darbar of Moba, who has they have voluntarily given us this opportunity to do this camping here at this locality. In fact, this is our first time that Urdu Society of India have organized such a noble cause here at Tender Child School.
This is not the first time. Many times I have already donated.
How many times you have donated?
I never count.
You know.
You feel like you are saving someone. We all should always keep on donating. Our one unit can save a life of someone, and not only we are saving someone's life, we are saving someone's family. You can understand that. So everyone should keep on donating, and you also you'll feel blessed after donating. That's it.